Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni espresso machine. This machine was brought in due to a bad power switch. So you can see here's the old one, and then there's the new one right there. And we also replaced some burnt electrical connectors inside the machine underneath. And we didn't do anything else to this machine, but we just want to show that it's coming up in temperature. So you can see the pressure gauge and see we get steam. And just lift the lever quick here. You see we get a shower. It might be a good idea to have a tune-up relatively soon. The shower seems a bit, the stream seems kind of strong, which indicates that it's partially clogged. So just something to consider in the near future. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos below.